Today we are going to solve square root of 6 plus square root of 32. So first of all, we have to write solution. Now rewrite the same question. 6 plus square root of 32. Now move towards the next step. So here will be square root of 6 plus, it can be written as square root of 4 into 8. So now square root of 6 plus square root of 4 dot square root of 8. This is on the basis of the formula square root of ab is equal to square root of a dot square root of b. Now square root of 6 plus square root of 4 is 2 square root of 8. So here we can write as square root of 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 2 square root of 8 can be write as 2 into 4. Now let's suppose a is equal to the square root of 2. So square of the a is a square is equal to 2. Similarly, b is equal to square root of 4. So square of the b is b square is equal to 4. So now square root of 2 is equal to a square plus 4 is equal to b square plus 2 square root of 2 is a square into 4 is b square. So here will be square root of a square plus b square plus 2. Square root cancel with square. Here a, also here b. Now according to the completing the square formula, square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab we can write as a plus b whole square. So now square root cancel with the square. So here will be a plus b. So now a is equal to square root of 2 plus b is equal to square root of 4. So square root of 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. This is the answer. Or we can write as 2 plus square root of 2. Or also we can write as square root of a is equal to a. So here we can write as square root of 2 plus square root of 2. So square root of 2 get common. So here will be square root of 2 into square root of 2 plus 1. This is answer.